Now I saw GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT-4, the whole sort of lead up to that. So it was easy for me to kind of see where it's going if you just sort of extrapolate the points on a curve. And I do think overall that the potential is there for artificial intelligence, AI, to most likely a positive effect and to create a future of abundance.
Elon Musk, the tech maestro determined to understand the very fabric of reality, launches X.AI, an artificial intelligence venture that assembles a dream team poached from the likes of Google, OpenAI, and other tech titans. How is X.AI rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence? And why is Musk, the man who once sounded alarms about AI, diving headfirst into this futuristic rabbit hole? Buckle up, because the answers are as mind-bending as the tech journey we're about to embark on. Elon Musk is making headlines with his latest venture, an AI company revealed by the Financial Times. Musk has been actively assembling a team of AI researchers and engineers, drawing talent from major players like DeepMind, an Alphabet subsidiary. In discussions with investors from SpaceX and Tesla, Musk seeks substantial support for his new AI startup, reflecting his grand vision for an all-encompassing app, X, as previously announced on Twitter. This aligns with the recent rebranding of Twitter to X Corp, overseen by the parent company X Holdings Corp. Musk's latest move is accompanied by his ongoing concerns about AI risks, advocating for regulation and oversight. Despite co-founding OpenAI in 2015, Musk's reported attempts to take control in 2018 were unsuccessful, leading to his departure from OpenAI's board due to potential conflicts with Tesla's AI endeavors. Musk has criticized OpenAI's pursuit of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Well-versed in AI through Tesla, Musk brings his expertise to X.AI. The company, featuring 11 researchers from Microsoft Research, DeepMind, OpenAI, and Google, is yet to disclose specific projects. Musk's choice of July 12, 2023, for X.AI's debut pays homage to science fiction, notably Douglas Adams' The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Musk's tweet highlights the date's significance. 7/12/23 adds up to 42, a nod to the novel's notion of the answer to life. Keep an eye on X.AI as it ventures into the realm of artificial intelligence, armed with a seasoned team and literary inspiration. Elon Musk, renowned for his bold visions, envisions X.AI as a pivotal player in developing safe and beneficial AI aligned with human standards. Musk, a long-standing advocate for cautious AI development, perceives it as a potential existential threat if not regulated properly. In a departure from industry norms, X.AI embraces an open-source approach, making its technologies and software accessible for anyone's use, modification, and distribution. This move, distinct from the usual secrecy in tech, aligns with the principles of open-source AI, fostering public participation and scrutiny to identify potential issues. Musk emphasizes X.AI's bottom-up approach, focusing on neuromorphic-level AI development rather than the conventional use of tested algorithms. This novel strategy aims to create a more adaptable and autonomous AI that learns and evolves with minimal oversight. Addressing concerns about the unchecked advancement of AI, Musk contends that the technology lacks adequate oversight and may be misused by authoritarian governments. X.AI's commitment to transparency and open development seeks to mitigate these concerns by involving a broader community in the development process. Despite potential risks associated with open-source AI, X.AI prioritizes dependability and safety. Recognizing the escalating risks posed by powerful and autonomous AI systems, X.AI's emphasis on safety measures aims to ensure the technology benefits humanity, minimizing potential harm and promoting ethical use. X.AI emphasizes responsible, safe, and ethical AI research aligning with human values. The distinctive open-source methodology aims to foster transparency and responsibility in the digital industry, ensuring technology is developed transparently and inclusively. Multidisciplinary development is a key objective, acknowledging the need for expertise in various fields. X.AI aims to bring together specialists from computer science, engineering, mathematics, and ethics to collaboratively create trustworthy AI. Public outreach and education play a crucial role as X.AI believes in educating the public about AI's potential benefits and drawbacks. Ensuring the long-term safety of AI is a priority for X.AI. Recognizing the potential risks to humanity, the company strives to develop AI that meets current reliability and security standards and grows responsibly over time. Emphasizing respect for human values, X.AI engages in dialogues with stakeholders to address ethical and societal implications. X collaboration is at the core of X.AI's strategy. The company intends to collaborate with other companies, academia, and governmental organizations to promote accountability and openness in the AI industry. X.AI recognizes that collaboration is essential for secure and ethical AI development. X.AI distinguishes itself with a focus on explainability, recognizing the challenge as AI systems become more complex. Lack of explainability can hinder widespread AI use, and X.AI aims to develop transparent and explicable AI to build trust and accessibility across various industries. Adaptability is a key priority for X.AI, intending to create AI capable of adjusting to changing conditions and settings in real time. This focus addresses the challenge of ensuring AI functions effectively in diverse circumstances. Ethical and responsible AI development is another defining feature of X.AI. Acknowledging AI's potential for both positive and negative impacts, X.AI engages in dialogues with stakeholders to ensure ethical compliance. The commitment extends to conducting research in adjacent fields like cybersecurity and addressing emerging security issues associated with AI development. X.AI aims to create safe, threat-resistant AI through a comprehensive and responsible approach. One of the pivotal concerns X.AI aims to tackle is the potential misuse of AI technology by malicious actors. Acknowledging the risks of dangerous AI systems or immoral pursuits like cyber-terrorist activities, X.AI is dedicated to implementing stringent security and safety measures. The company recognizes the necessity of transparency in openly communicating both the drawbacks and benefits of its technology, fostering trust and making AI more accessible across various industries. Collaboration with lawmakers and regulators is considered paramount by X.AI to ensure that its technology aligns with established standards of dependability and security. By actively engaging with external stakeholders, X.AI seeks to navigate regulatory landscapes effectively and responsibly. Another significant challenge that X.AI is prepared to confront is the possibility of unforeseen consequences arising from the increasing power and autonomy of AI systems. The company aims to mitigate this risk by developing AI systems capable of learning and evolving responsibly, thus avoiding decisions that could endanger human safety or well-being. Despite these challenges, X.AI's entry into the AI sector is seen as a pivotal advancement. The company's emphasis on a secure and dependable AI, aligned with human values, signifies a commitment to the broader benefit of humanity. Through open-source development, X.AI strives to contribute to the industry's transparency, enabling public access to its technologies and promoting ethical practices. X.AI's approach reflects a nuanced understanding of the complexities within the AI field. The company's dedication to collaboration, public involvement, and education underscores its commitment to realizing the benefits of AI while actively minimizing potential risks. Will X.AI really cater to the limitations that AI has, or is it just another pipe dream of Elon Musk?